check for advanced restart button. It's available. I'll boot into recovery using this. If you don't have that, you can use volume up button and power button to boot into recovery. That's a traditional method. And all the links for latest TWRP, I mean the recovery and even the firmware, are already given in the community section, and I made a dedicated video on this TWRP. Go to wipe section and select here advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, go to home section here and select install and select the storage micro SD card, and wherever you downloaded the ROM zip files, first flash the firmware always. Go to Surya 12.5.5.0. This is the latest available firmware, global one. There are in global and EE also. Try to flash the same global one, and again go to install and select here ROM zip files. In this video, ArowOS 12.1 latest build, as you can see, with April 10th build date and April security patch. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. The ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Go to home section again and select install. ROM zip file has been flashed already, so go to wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button and go to home section. If you use vanilla build, you need to flash GApps separately before formatting data. Now go to reboot and select system. This is the flashing method for ArowOS 12.1 latest build for Poco X3 or NFC, Surya, Karna, whatever you call. It takes a little bit of time to boot for first time. In this video, we'll be going to see everything in detail, starting from phone dialer, benchmark results, bgmi gameplay, even SANOC bootcamp, and everything will be explained in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Here we go. It's booted into ArowOS. Let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is SAMPATH. You're watching SAMPATH SAMFX YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 ArowOS 12.1 GApps version, and it recognizes Karna. Don't worry, it's Poco X3 Indian variant I'm using. Still, it's flashable. Both are nothing but same only, and you get with 5th April 2022 security patch, and the kernel used here is 4.14.267 Arrow latest kernel. This is the April 10th build. That's how it is, and I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes. You can see here the maximum little bit. I will adjust the brightness. Okay, the maximum is 148 and average is 132 and minimum is 95, which is good, and it's throttled to 83% of its maximum performance. It means it is throttling here, you can see here, but this is just app, but real-time performance is fine enough. And many people watching my video but not subscribing to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. Let me enable sound here. Okay, you will get direct video call feature in this particular ROM, and there is a call recording feature also, but it will notify that other person recording the call. That's how it is. And coming to speed test, I have here like 100 Mbps Geo Giga Fiber connection. It's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps, which is fine. Even with mobile data connection also, it's working fine. Carrier aggregation support is also fine. Every time I need to flash this ROM, then I was using EEA global firmware. Now I am using global firmware instead of EEA. I found a little bit of difference in performance. Flash the same global firmware only. If they specify to flash the EEA, then we try with EEA. Here we go. This is the Android benchmark results. As you can see, 3,50,597 and 0.7 degrees Celsius is the temperature is, and battery drop was 3% during this testing. That's how it is. And coming to Geekbench scores, here we go. The single score was very good, but not the multi score. As you can see, single score is 544 and the multi score is 1490, and the kernel user is Linux 4.14.267, and this is the Android 12.1 version. Let's see whether widgets Okay, widgets are available, as you can see, just add it, that will work fine. But coming to wallpapers and style, change wallpapers, you won't get any wallpapers. And themed icon, app grid and dark theme is available. That's how it is. Let's check out the quick settings panel. This is how the quick settings panel you get in this particular ROM. And if you want to edit some of the things, you can see here, I don't want to use this thing, drag here and change that, I mean disable that. That's how it is. And into the power button you get like this. And into settings, this is simple ROM. It's like same like Pixel Experience. You can call it as a lighter version of Pixel Experience, like that it is. And coming into apps, here you get default apps. From here you can change it. And quick step launcher has been used as an default launcher. And special app access, you get plenty of options. You can enable or disable those things from here. Into the battery usage, as you can see, it was around 75% when I was flashing from CarOS to this particular ArowOS. You can judge the battery life, as you can see. And if you use for a week, and then you will get a little bit more better battery life compared to initial stages, that you need to keep in mind. And battery charging light is given, you can enable here. That's how it is. Extreme battery saver is not given. That's how it is. It's a lighter version of Pixel Experience known as ArowOS. It is very good ROM. Many people watch this video in my channel particularly. And dark theme, let's enable this. You can schedule it out, but you can't make pitch black condition. As you can see, this is not in pitch black condition. It's a little bit gray type is available. Let me disable the dark theme. Adaptive brightness working fine. Night light feature is there. Colors you can change here. Minimum refresh rate kept to 60 and maximum is kept to 120. You can play around that in order to get very good battery life or performance. LCD features are given. That's how it is. And wallpapers and style I already shown you. Accessibility menu, yes, it's available. You can use this. There's a handy feature to have. Without using the volume button, you can toggle the volume. Without using this, without sliding this also, you can use the brightness control. Many more options are given. That's a handy feature to have in your smartphone. With this ArowOS you get it. And vibration and haptic strength you can adjust from here. You can enable or disable. And there is no face unlock. Fingerprint unlock I will show you. As you can see, the fingerprint unlock is very quick. As you can see, definitely faster than previous CarOS. It was very slow. As you can see, that's how it is. And there is no face unlock. And app lock is also not available. And encryption and credential, this ROM is encrypted. No need to worry about that. And location, Google Maps, everything is working fine, no problem regarding that also. Let me show you the safety net status. Haven't installed. Let me install. It will get passed. Here we go. As you can see, it get passed. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay. Everything will be working fine. Even WhatsApp is also working fine. MyGeo, whatever you want to use, you can use it as a daily driver. Definitely, it's a very light version of Pixel Experience. And you get Google Go camera as pre-installed camera. But I have installed this Arno build Gcam. Wide angle also works fine. Video also works fine. I found a little bit of problem in this particular camera application like Arno build. Slightly in human subject, if you take portrait shots, you will get shades. I need to find better Gcam for Poco XC. Do you agree or you already know the better Gcam? Comment down in the comment section below. And let's say the bgmi gameplay. Before that, DRM info, you will get level 1 certification such that you can watch all the ODT application in HD resolution. That's not the problem. And FM radio is given and gallery application you get like this. That's how it is. And let's see the bgmi gameplay. And here we go, Sanok. And let me show you the graphics settings in this particular ROM. Nothing fancy here. HD plus and high and smooth plus ultra. And there is no customization to increase this. Let me increase a little bit of volume. But definitely playable. Someone who want very good battery life and casual gaming here and then, you can try this ROM. You won't face any problems or laggy or anything like that in day-to-day use, not in the game. You will definitely face lag with 40 FPS. Don't expect 90 FPS gaming in this particular ROM. You can flash some of the files and make it 90 FPS using GFX tool also. But still the kernel is latest one. It will have very good battery life with Android 12.1. Here we go into boot camp. This is a squad match. I removed auto matching, but I am not in higher level, hence you won't see any big players here, but it's an hotspot. Okay. With same graphic settings set to smooth plus ultra, as you can see. The gameplay was fine, but it wasn't like 90 FPS, and loudness is also fine enough. Not a problem with that. As you've seen with that Sanok match, it was like 40 FPS, then easy to easy for opponent to finish me. That's how it is. And device is not getting warm. That's really good thing. Those who are not in gaming, then they can definitely try it out this round. Battery life will be better. And I will come back and I will show you the charging animation with 33-watt charger. Let's see. Okay, charging rapidly. It is working fine. With 33-watt charger, you can charge rapidly. That's how it is. I hope I explained everything in this particular ROM. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And thank you for watching this video, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.